Hi, this is Kelly from Luxury Homes Tulum, and today we've got something special to explore together. Everybody's looking for a house. Everybody's looking for a house in Tulum. Only 7 minutes from the beach, 3 minutes from downtown. This area is known as Region 15. This is a very unique property. Let's explore it together. I can't wait to share this with you. Come on. Now that we're inside this beautiful, beautiful little oasis, I'm going to show you the living area first. Living area is laid out. This house is logical. I love the layout. It just works. Everything about it works. Let's go look at the living room, dining room, kitchen area right over here. This beautiful living space has a garden here, the pool on this side, and look at these beautiful, beautiful windows. The natural light coming through here, it's just like living outside in a super logical, beautifully workable floor plan. Living area, dining, kitchen, flows through, just flows through. Let's go check out this kitchen. It's amazing. This beautiful American style kitchen is just made for hosting. You can just see having your friends, your family here. They're having dinner here, over in the pool. Kids are playing, neighbors are playing. All this is just set up to entertain and to enjoy life, to enjoy the Tulum lifestyle. It's just laid out to enjoy. It's easy, it's low maintenance, and it's beautiful. So behind this common area, we're now going to go experience the 3 bedrooms right through this way. This great space could be used as an office, all right? I mean, if the kids are here on vacation, just put them to work here, let them do their homework. If you need to work, this is set up great. Oh my gosh, there's a beautiful breeze coming through. It feels fantastic. This is a very, again, I'm not going to say it again, but yes, it's logical. Let's go check out the first bedroom. Bedrooms are spacious, bedrooms are wide open, bedrooms all face onto this back garden. It gives this whole sense of living inside, outside. All of these doors completely retractable, beautiful style. These are nice heavy doors, by the way, super quality, great for that hurricane season, which is headed our way. But these things are all well thought out in this house. Things have been thought out. Very, very meticulous and detailed. Here we are in the master suite of this beautiful house. What we're going to find out here is that we have some details that most people don't think about, but you're going to find them here. A lovely, lovely double shower. We've got beautiful shower set up here with marble floors, ceiling, beautiful. We've got closets here, toilet there, our powder rooms there, and check this out. And you can walk out into your pool from this beautiful master suite, have access to your pool. That's style, baby, that's style. This is where you need to come live your best life, here at Riviera Maya. Details like this. It's a great place, eh? Right behind the kitchen, we find this lovely, lovely, interesting staircase. Coming up this staircase, we're gonna find something that you never thought you would see in this super, super logical 3-bedroom house. Look at this space, the party area. This wide open space has all the potential. You could do lots of things up here. You can make this into a 4th bedroom. You can make this into an office. You can obviously leave it open and use it as a chill space. This could be your yoga area. This can be whatever you want it to be. We have beautiful, beautiful crosswinds coming through here, but you could enclose it, as I mentioned. It has so much potential, or you can just leave it as it is and enjoy this open space. It's a beautiful thing. I hope you enjoyed this house as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. This house, I tell you what, you know what this house has? This house has value. This house is priced under $600,000. Again, the location is magnificent. And if you want more information about it, please make sure that you check out my YouTube channel, Kelly Cottle, and also follow me on Instagram, Luxury Homes Tulum, a gringo living in Tulum. There's lots of information I'd like to share with you about this property and other luxury properties. Come live your best life here in Riviera Maya. Muchas gracias y adiós.